Let's read some words with all the letters and sounds we know. Here are some words.
Cat, jet, pin, mop, plum, bath, frog, ship, duck.
Very good. What kinds of vowel sounds are these?
These are all short vowel sounds. Like at the beginning of these words. Apple, egg, it, octopus, up. But sometimes vowels say their name in words.
That's right. Then we say they have a long vowel sound. Let's read some words with long vowel sounds.
Plate, boat, stone, bike, rain, peach, bee, rake.
Did you hear the long vowel sound in each of these words?
I did. In all of these words, the vowels are saying their name.
That's right, but there are patterns that we can notice here, like the silent E and the double vowels. Point to all the words with the double vowels and read them to me.
Boat, rain, peach, and bee.